moments later.
Hey everybody, welcome once again to Techno Event. Hello, Martin Morgan! Hi! Together with me, of course, is Miss Sarah G. Alright, so Leo is actually a common box and funny conversations with his fur parent. Singing, acting, instruments, and funny conversations with his fur parent. Their unique bond quickly went viral, making Theo a fan favorite for his one-of-a-kind talent and for winning the hearts of fans all over the social media. How's Theo doing?
It's okay, mataba pa rin.
Kaya ba na mag-hello kay Sarah?
Yes! Sabi mo, on. Sabi mo hilaw. Sabi mo on. Sabi mo hilaw. Hello. 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 Hello.
Can you show some of the strings?
Yes. You want to try? Yes. You want to try? Try? Okay. Down. Lay down. Patay yung naman.
Yes, sa likod ka na.
Okay. Lights. Go down. Lights, camera action. Iyo, try. Down, try.
Natalo na tayo ng
Alright, super cute. Sarah and Theo taking photos using the talent for me. Alright, what's the best smartphone brand?
Smartphone na gusto mo? Ano? Ano? Camon.
Camon. Wow.
Camon ano? Camon.
Camon 40. Oh. Camon 40.
Thank you. Sabi mo, Tekno.
Please, using of course our Camon 40. Alright, Charity the dog will